The Chinese Zodiac consists of 12 animals, each representing a year in a 12-year cycle. These animals are the rat, ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, goat, monkey, rooster, dog, and pig. Each animal is associated with specific traits. For example, the rat is seen as clever and resourceful, while the dragon symbolizes power and good fortune. The cycle is deeply rooted in Chinese culture and influences personalities, fortunes, and even marriage compatibility. The zodiac is also linked to the Chinese New Year, where the animal of the year determines the year's energy and outlook.